I'm Kim and welcome back to my channel. I am here today with another grocery haul, just in case you can't tell. So this is another Coles grocery haul. So as per usual, I'm going to unpack everything and then I will let you know what our plans are meal-wise for the week. Let's have some rosemary. Some tomatoes. Some red onions, lettuce, potatoes, some brown onions, a loaf of bread, two packets of burger thins, some schmackos for the dogs, deodorant, Diet Cordial, Vegemite, some Band-Aids, some peri peri mayonnaise, Listerine, sour cream, 3 1-litre chicken stocks, cheese, two lots of herb and garlic burgers, some chicken breasts, 2 burrito kits because they are on special and we eat them at least once a week, so I thought why not grab it while it's on special. And I also got some toilet paper, a box of water and a 30 pack of Pepsi Max. So this week's food shopping total came to $173, and the only thing that was substituted this week were my tomatoes. I ordered Roma tomatoes and they gave me Vine Trust tomatoes, but this is the first time in a very long time that I've actually not had anything missing from my order and being refunded, which was really nice. So the plan for this week's meals is, with the chicken breasts, we will be doing burritos one night, and I'm also going to make up a batch of chicken vegetable soup, which will last us a couple of nights. And then we will be having burgers for another couple of nights. So whenever I do my food shopping, I always plan for 5 nights of at-home cooked meals. Usually we have enough leftovers to stretch further if need be, and we also usually have stuff in the pantry that we can go to as well. But other than that, generally we will eat out or get takeout at least once a week as a bit of a treat, and that's normally over the weekend. Anyway, that's it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that little bell so you get notified of my videos in the future. Until next time, bye guys.